Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into fitness and looking to amp up your explosive workouts, plyometric jump boxes are a must-have. Today, we're breaking down the best ones for 2025, based on durability, versatility, and value. I'm your host, and let's dive right in. First things first, what are plyometric jump boxes? They're sturdy platforms designed for exercises like box jumps, which help build power, speed, and agility. Whether you're a beginner or a pro athlete, these boxes can take your training to the next level by improving your vertical jump and overall athletic performance. Starting with our top budget pick, the Rogue Fitness Echo Box. Priced around $50 to $100, it's made from high-density foam, making it lightweight and easy to store. The pros include excellent portability and a non-slip surface for safety, but it might not hold up as well under heavy daily use compared to pricier options. Next up is the Rep Fitness Wooden Plyo Box, costing $100 to $200. This bad boy is constructed from solid wood, offering superior stability and multiple height options from 12 to 24 inches. It's perfect for serious lifters. Pros are its longevity and versatility, while the cons include its weight, which makes it less ideal for those with limited space. For something adjustable, check out the Grit Multi-Level Plyo Box at $150 to $300. It features easy height adjustments from 12 to 30 inches, great for scaling your workouts as you progress. The benefits include space-saving design and quick setup, but you'll need to assemble it, which might take a few minutes. Finally, our premium choice is the Titan Steel Plyo Box, ranging from $200 to $400. Made of heavy-duty steel, it's incredibly durable and won't budge during intense sessions. Pros: unmatched stability and a professional feel. Cons: it's bulky and on the expensive side, so it's best for dedicated gym setups. When picking the right one, consider your budget, workout space, and experience level. Always prioritize safety features like anti-slip tops to prevent injuries. There you have it, our top picks for 2025 to boost your plyo training. Which one catches your eye? Let me know in the comments, smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more fitness gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and keep jumping high.